everyone, this is Lisa here. I'm here with the swap from CCL that I received from May's swap for the ATCs that we did, which was the Birds and Stitches ATCs. Let's take out what we got here. And these are the ATCs that I had received back. And this is from Christy Petrie, and this is the one that she made. Let me take it out the package so there's not such a glare on it. That is so pretty and dimensional. Thank you very much, Christy, and I want to thank everyone for participating in this swap. And this one came from Misty. She was the host, and that is just so sweet. Thank you, Misty. Very pretty. This little butterfly down here. Love it. And this one comes from Lady Ann. Oh, how cute. And that's the one that she did, and this is a corset with a bird on it. That is so cute. I want to thank everyone for watching, and have a great day.